I think we're going. Okay, let me go ahead and put this on the record. All right, good morning. The court is calling cause number 94 AG 12879. This is a motion to file by the Attorney General, motion to revoke probation in this case. Parties in this case are Edward Castaneda and Deborah Guerra, who have appeared in this case. My name is Antonio Rodriguez. I am the Associate Judge for the Title 40 Court here in El Paso. We're proceeding on this matter based on a Zoom application since because of the pandemic crisis going on, we cannot appear in court to conduct a live in-court hearing. However, the Supreme Court of the State of Texas, the Office of Court Administration, and the local council of judges have permitted the local courts to conduct remote hearings as opposed to in-person hearings at the courthouse. So we're doing so in this location, and I thank y'all appearance today. This matter is being live streamed through the YouTube channel. That is to comply with the Texas rules of keeping open courts. However, as soon as this hearing is completed, that live stream will be taken off the YouTube. I'm also recording the evidence in this case on the computer system. So this is the only official recording that is permitted. I'll remind parties that they are in court. They are present before me. So I would expect both parties to conduct themselves as if they were in court. Once the hearing commences, I'll ask parties not to talk over each other. Sometimes we have audio problems, and if we have people talking at the same time, the audio portion may not function as well as it should. So with all that being said, I'll ask the attorneys in this case to make an announcement in this case, starting with the office. Mr. Hargis.
Good morning, Your Honor. John Hargis for the Attorney General, Child Support Division, present and ready to proceed.
Morning, Judge Joe Mullen on behalf of Edward Castaneda, also ready as well.
All right, and Ms. Guerra, are you ready to proceed as well today, ma'am?
Yes, sir, I am.
Okay, and Mr. Castaneda, are you also ready to proceed today?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, please raise your right hand so I can swear you in. And I can't see you, so I am assuming that you are raising your right hands.
Yes, Your Honor.
Or affirm that the testimony that you're about to give is the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help.
Yes.
I do.
Thank you. Both answered in the affirmative. Mr. Hargis, I believe there's an announcement to be made in this case.
Yes, Your Honor. The parties have already met prior to the hearing and reached an agreement on all the terms, and we'd like to recite the terms of that agreement on the record.
All right, sir, go ahead.
The parties have agreed to continue the community supervision. The parties have agreed to take a judgment on the arrearages, confirm the child support arrearage, the amount of $45,901.93 as of August 31st, 2020, with a payment plan to pay off those arrearages in the amount of $280 a month beginning October 1st, 2020. And to confirm the amount of medical support arrearages in the amount of $2,532.70 as of August 31st, 2020, and setting up a payment plan to pay off the medical support arrearages in the amount of $63 a month beginning October 1st, 2020. Also, to have a finding of non-disclosure for Ms. Guerra.
Why can't you hear anything?
All right, any other conditions other than to continue under the supervised probation order?
No, Your Honor, just continue it the way it was.
Okay. Mr. Mullen, is this your client's understanding and agreement of the order?
That's correct, Judge, and we spoke several times yesterday, and I believe he fully understands the agreement that he's entering into today.
Right. And Ms. Guerra, do you understand and agree to the order as stated on the record?
I do.
Okay. And Mr. Castaneda, are you also in agreement with this order?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. All right, then, well, having heard the parties and counsel state on the record with that agreement, the court will approve that agreement. I will be signing that agreement. Once the order is prepared and sent to me, as far as the procedure, Mr. Mullen, do you wish to review the order before I sign it, or can Mr. Hargis just forward it to me?
That's fine, Judge. You can just forward it to you.
All right. Okay, so what will happen then, Mr. Hargis from the Attorney General's office will prepare the order. He'll send it to me through the DocuSign application. Once I receive it, I will sign it. And the order will be filed with the district clerk's office, be sent to the parties. Okay. If there's any question or anything else, that will conclude our hearing for today. Any questions, Ms. Guerra or Mr. Castaneda?
I do. I have a question, Your Honor.
Yes, ma'am.
What happens if Mr. Castaneda doesn't, once he stops receiving unemployment?
If payments once payments commence and they stop, then it'll be the same process that was initiated. The AG will have to file another motion.
Correct.
To revoke this probation.
Correct. Okay.
I'm assuming they're going to go ahead and continue to monitor, and I would suggest you contact the AG's office should the payment stop being processed.
Yes, correct. Because this has been done many times in the past with Mr.
know.
Castaneda. And he, with all this, he was on probation on 2011. And I don't know how many times he reported to his probation officer.
Okay, well, all those matters are you can bring him up to the Attorney General's office. He is going to continue on the probation that was previously ordered. In other words, if he fails to comply with that order, he's looking at 180 days in jail. Should a motion be filed, and should I find that he is not complying with this order? Okay. So basically, what I'm telling you is that the AG will have to bring him back again.
Okay.
Okay. Mr. Castaneda, you understand what I just told Ms. Guerra?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. All right. All right. Counsel, anything else in this matter?
No, Your Honor.
Nothing on my end,
Okay.
Judge.
All right. Well, in that case, that will conclude our hearing for today. Thank you all for your participation and working this matter out. I'll conclude the hearing and go ahead and sign off now. Thank you all very much.
Thank you,
Thank you,
Judge.
Your Honor. Bye-bye.
Thank you, Judge.